Over the last few days, we've learned a few things. The Premier and Deputy say Cabinet is united on their plan to eradicate Alberta's coal industry. The Environment Minister will not listen to evidence regarding clean coal because of her tunnel vision, and the Energy Minister is in the penalty box because she showed common sense around market-driven factors during estimates. So let's try this again. To the Energy Minister, why rush to eliminate Alberta's coal industry and the thousands of jobs attached to it when these facilities have committed to generating electricity as clean as natural gas can?
The Honourable Minister of Energy.
Thank you for the question. Study after study demonstrates that a price on carbon it makes economic sense, and that's why we are phasing out coal and we've developed a climate leadership plan that is going to take care of emissions because health is important, economic diversity is important, and we are going to continue to work with our industry and our communities to do this.
For supplemental.
Sounds like the penalty box has eliminated that common sense. Given that coal-fired electricity has moved forward by leaps and bounds, controlling and reducing NOx and SOx emissions from flue gas desulfurizers to selective catalytic and non-catalytic reduction systems, to the Energy Minister. Is this government really encouraging the coal industry to improve emissions intensity when the industry knows full well the government is putting them out of business as soon as they can?
Exactly.
Minister of Energy.
This plan to phase out coal was established a few years ago by the federal government. We are going to work with our industry, with our coal facilitator and our communities to continue this work. We're going to work at diversifying our economy. We're going to work with the ISO and renewables and develop a plan that is going to keep prices reasonable, keep our lights on.
Well, when a government minister denies their own job-killing coal plan, you know it's a bad one. Given that new technologies are able to reduce NOx emissions by 98.6% and SOx emissions by up to 99.9%, and given that these technologies are able to prevent 75.5% of all emissions from entering our atmosphere, to the Energy Minister, one last time, why can't coal-fired electricity be part of our electricity future after 2030 if they reach these incredibly high clean standards?
Good question.
Thank you for the question, Mr. Speaker. We have developed our climate leadership plan to move forward in phasing out coal and diversifying our economy because we know that the emissions are harmful to our health and our children and our most vulnerable Albertans. We have tasked the ISO to consult with industry experts. We're pleased that over 130 industry was consulted with this, and our first RFP for renewables will be this fall.